how to use the Spotlight feature. To access the Spotlight search, just go to the top right-hand corner and click on the magnifying glass. Spotlight search will just pop up and you can search for any application that you want. In this case, I'll search for Microsoft Word, and it just automatically populates. The minute I start typing in MI, it will take a guess at what I want, and it will search for anything that starts with MI. For instance, it brings up Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Mission Control. So there's a lot of different options that it brings up. And then once you find what you want, you can actually just click on it and it will open it. It will bring it up here in the dock. Also, you can search for file names. So if I search for screen recording, it will bring up a file. And I'll be able to see when I last opened it, and I can click on it and it will go ahead and it will open up that file. Also, when you do a search within Spotlight Search, it will also bring up Siri suggested websites, so Siri can suggest some websites for you. Also, it has a Siri knowledge section where it will try to guess what you're searching for and bring it up an article. It will bring up system preferences information. So if I, for instance, searched for desktop, it will first suggest maybe an application I want to install. It will also look under system preferences and actually bring up where I can change my desktop and screensaver. So I can actually click that and it will open up system preferences, and it just takes me directly into where I'd want to change my desktop and screensaver. Also, if I were to just search if I was doing research on mammals, let's say. So what I could do is search the word mammals, and it will actually do a Google search for me. So I have Google Chrome installed on this Mac, and it will actually allow me to do a Google search. If I just click on this first option, it will bring up a Google search for the word mammal. I can even search for even more specific items. So, for instance, it brings up mammals that lay eggs. So, if I go ahead and I click on that, it'll search mammals that lay eggs, which is really, really neat. It brings up the echidna and all sorts of other little animals that are mammals that lay eggs. So this can be great if you're doing some sort of research project. You can just do a search within Spotlight without even opening up your web browser, and it will do a quick little search for you. So Spotlight is an extremely powerful tool. To recap, it can help you find applications. It can help you find what system setting you want to change on your Mac. It can help you do a Google search, or any kind of search for that matter. It will even suggest specific websites. It suggested a National Geographic website down here that I could click on and then go to that website. So this is just a very powerful tool that you can use on the Mac. I think Spotlight is one of the greatest features on here, and I really hope that you can take a look at it and experiment with it and see how it works for you. So I hope you have a great day, and I hope that you subscribe if you want to see cute little corgi videos. Go ahead and check out my videos on my channel of my delightful, wonderful, sweet little corgi. And he's just so sweet and cute and furry. So please watch some of those videos and some of my other technology tutorial videos. And in the comments field, if you have any questions, just feel free to ask. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.